Today I want to share with you my 3 favorite cauliflower faked potatoes. First, I'm going to show you my loaded faked potato.
I also have a roasted garlic mashed cauliflower.
Make sure you stay till the end where I show you my quick, easy 5-minute cauliflower faked potato. The great thing about cauliflower is you can use it in so many different ways. You can go ahead and use fresh cauliflower, boil that, cut that up, rice your own cauliflower. Today I'm just going to use frozen. This will make your recipe super quick and easy. If your life is crazy and busy like mine, that's exactly what we need. Okay, so first we're going to do our loaded faked potatoes. So I'm going to put the bacon in the microwave. I like to put it in there for about 2 minutes. I do like my bacon to be crispy. It makes it a lot easier to crumble it that way. So go ahead and put your riced cauliflower in the microwave for about 5 minutes. When that comes out, we're going to strain that to get most of the moisture out of that. I'm just going to squeeze that until all of the water comes out. Make sure that you're holding the cauliflower so it doesn't come out the bottom. We just want to get most of the moisture out.
Next, I'm going to chop my green onion and my chives. I like to use fresh chives. I think you get a lot more flavor that way. And we just want those finely chopped.
I'm going to turn my stove on medium heat. Bring my pan really quick. And we're going to start by adding our cauliflower. This will be 1 bag of riced cauliflower. Next, I'm going to add my 4 ounces of cream cheese. It's best if you can have your cream cheese at room temperature, but if not, if you get it directly from the fridge, just let it sit for a little bit in your pan just to warm up and melt a little bit, and then we'll mix that all in with our cauliflower. I'm going to add about a clove or 2 of minced garlic. I'm going to add a tablespoon of onion powder. I'm then going to add a tablespoon of chives, as well as a tablespoon of green onions. And then we're going to add 1.5 ounce of reduced fat cheese.
And we will just mix that all together.
This only needs to take about maybe 30 seconds to a minute, and they're done. These are so quick and easy. Once these are done, I'm just gonna go ahead and top with just a little bit more cheese, some of the chives, and a little bit more onion. And don't forget, we still have our bacon that we cooked that we need to crumble. You can crumble the bacon and mix it right in with the rest of your ingredients. I just like to have mine on top because it gets soft and I like to have nice crunchy bacon. So I'm just gonna do about a half a piece, crumble that on top. And there you go, a perfect side to your roast, your chicken, whatever it is that you're having for your protein that day. This is so good. This next one is really easy. It's only going to take 3 ingredients, and if you like more of a creamy, smooth, mashed potato type texture compared to our last one, so where it's still a little bit chunky, more like a baked potato, this is going to be perfect. We're going to do roasted mashed cauliflower for our next baked potato. You'll need 1 package of your frozen riced cauliflower, and I already put this in the microwave and strained it. You're going to want some roasted garlic, and if you're not sure how to roast garlic, I will go ahead and link the video in the description. And we're going to want 2 of your laughing cow cheese. I'm going to go ahead and use pepper jack, but you can use any of the flavors that you want. If you are ever curious about the items that I use in my videos, I link most items in the description of each of my videos. So you can go ahead and look there anytime. Okay, for us to make this creamy, we're gonna go ahead and use our immersion blender again. This makes it super easy, it's 1 step. You guys, each one of these potatoes is seriously 10 minutes or less. So we have our riced cauliflower in our bowl. You go ahead and add whatever you like for the garlic. I'm gonna go ahead and put probably 5 or 6 different cloves in mine. And then I'm just gonna add both of my laughing cow cheese. I'm just gonna take my immersion blender and blend that right up. I also like to add a little salt and a little pepper, and you'll just blend until smooth. I like to use these little tiny spatulas just to get everything off my immersion blender so I get every bit of my cauliflower that I need. Can you see how creamy and silky and smooth, just like regular mashed potatoes? Roasted garlic, mashed cauliflower. You guys, this is a must-have. You can eat the whole thing if you want for your green, Or you can split that in half and add a side salad or a different vegetable to go with that. Don't forget to add your protein.
If you are enjoying these recipes, please subscribe now.
Okay, now I've shown you 2 of my quick, easy baked potatoes, but this one is by far the easiest. Like normal, I'm just gonna quickly spray my pan. I'm just going to add my riced cauliflower. The reason why these take about 5 minutes is because it takes about 4 to 5 minutes for your riced cauliflower to cook in the microwave. Otherwise, this is a quick 1-minute mashed cauliflower recipe. And then I'm gonna add my cream cheese. It's gonna be 4 ounces. And I just quickly mash that right into my cauliflower. Once that's mashed up, I'm gonna add a little bit of seasoning. This is going to be hot wing seasoning. I love my Flavor God seasoning, but you can use seasoning of your choice. This is about a teaspoon of seasoning, and then mix that together. And like I said, this is a super easy one because you can add about any seasoning that you like, and that mixes this up a lot. I love the hot wings, the buffalo, the sriracha, and I love the habanero. But there are lots of different options. And once that's all mixed up and combined, they're ready to eat. Quick, easy, 1-minute recipe.
I just wanted to share with you some of the Flavor God seasonings that I do enjoy. There are quite a few different ones. If you do not want to use Flavor God, you can use just about any seasoning. I just recommend that you try and make it low sodium.
Okay, that's our last one. That is our potatoes 3 ways.
You can always check out other recipes on my channel.